So there you have it, YouTube. We managed to get everything positioned about where I want it to go, and I'm really happy with the way the stand turned out. It's everything that I hoped it would be. This thing is rock solid, it's very rigid, and it should work to dampen some vibrations just on account of it weighing probably over 200 pounds by itself, and that it's made out of 1/4-inch plate. It's got a lot of internal storage capacity. I can store a lot of stuff down there. And also those 4 large bolts, those are 1-inch bolts with a 1.5-inch head on them, work as adjustable feet, which is really cool because that way, you know, the floor in my shop, like probably what's in most of you guys, isn't perfectly level. And now with only an open-ended wrench, it's really quick and easy to adjust this drill press so that the press is level and it doesn't wobble and everything is good in life. So, now that we have this in here, I guess it's about time to worry about starting to get it all wired up, and I'd just like to thank you guys for watching this video, and as always, have fun. Don't forget to stay safe, rate, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see you next time.